Hi, I'm Lexi Hart, your RoboBrief host. Today, the robotics signal is shifting from look what a robot can do to look how we'll trust it in production. 3 stories from June 22nd show that move clearly. NVIDIA wants to own the safety stack for physical AI. Bear Robotics is buying a humanoid maker to add hands to its delivery fleet. And JD.com is putting a hard number on automation. First, NVIDIA. On June 22nd at Automate 2026 in Chicago, NVIDIA announced Halos for robotics, calling it the industry's first full-stack safety system for physical AI. It pulls together NVIDIA IGX Thor compute, Holoscan sensor bridge, Halos OS for safety functions, and an ANAB-accredited AI systems inspection lab. NVIDIA says it is extending 18,000 engineering years of autonomous vehicle safety work into humanoids, autonomous mobile robots, and industrial systems. The first named humanoid partner is Agility Robotics, which is integrating IGX Thor and Halos Core into its own safe human detection system for Digit. Agility's Digit is already running with Amazon, GXO, Schaeffler, and Toyota Motor Manufacturing Canada, so this is a real production stack, not a slide. The strategic message is blunt. If robots want to leave fenced cells and work next to people, certifiable safety is the next moat. Next, Bear Robotics. The Robot Report says Bear has signed a definitive agreement to acquire Kinisi Robotics, taking the KR1 humanoid and the Bristol engineering team into Bear's existing service robot business. Bear already runs thousands of deployed robots in restaurants and hospitality with a cloud orchestration stack. So this is not a lab startup chasing a humanoid demo. The deal is about adding manipulation to a fleet that already nailed navigation. The thesis is simple. Mobile autonomy in human spaces is increasingly solved, but the last few inches still need hands. Pair Bear's deployment history with Kinisi's physical AI manipulation work, and you get a credible path from robot as moving cart to robot as co-worker. Watch for pilots that pair Bear's fleet manager with new pick, place, and handoff tasks. Third, JD.com. A Financial Times story surfaced through Google News quotes the JD.com boss saying robots will replace 700,000 delivery workers. In his words, sooner or later. JD is not a side player here. The company already runs level 4 autonomous delivery vehicles in more than 20 Chinese cities, has rolled out a Wolfpack robot lineup across warehousing, sorting, transport, and last mile, and is targeting 3 million robots, 1 million autonomous vehicles, and 100,000 drones over the next 5 years. The 700,000 number is not just a layoff prediction. It is JD telling investors what its logistics stack will look like as warehouses, sorters, vans, drones, and locker robots interlock. The labor question is real and will get louder, but the strategic message is that delivery is becoming one of the largest applied robotics markets on Earth. The pattern across all 3 stories is the same. Robotics is no longer judged by walking demos. It is being judged by safety stacks, deployed fleets, and credible automation roadmaps. That is what to track if you want to see who the durable robotics businesses really are. For more, hit subscribe and check out robobrief.tech.